Good morning. It is our last park day today. Sad face. We're going to Magic Kingdom and currently it's a bit stormy weather. But we're actually quite happy about it because hopefully, fingers crossed, the park is not as busy today. The past few days the crowds have really been ramping up. So we still have some rides that we haven't gone on yet, like Aladdin's Magic Carpet. And I would like to do Space Mountain. Although these two won't be riding that one. So yeah, there's a few things we want to get done and hopefully the weather will be helping us get it all done. So yeah, a little bit wet start to the day, but it's still nice and sunny and warm, so no complaints.
Jamboree, featuring a bit of Americana, our musical heritage of the past.
Oh, just forget about the plans that we were making.
Alright, so today we are trying the 50th celebration spring roll and the cheeseburger spring roll. You can mix and match them. It's $9.50. It comes with a little top with some sauces.
I think that's the cheeseburger.
Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks like the cheeseburger one. So
It tastes like a cheeseburger.
Tastes like a cheeseburger. That's good.
Good.
Can I try that one? Alright, they are good. Oh, you can really taste the pickle and the cheese.
Hello, Jack.
Hello. So this is what it looks like riding Thunder Mountain just as the rainstorm hit. We're very wet, but it was very fun. I think it adds something to the ride.
Made it very atmospheric.
Although when you get to the bit where they spray a light mist over you, we didn't feel it at all. We were too wet through.
Great.
Did you enjoy it, buddy?
It was a bit wet.
Wet. Did you enjoy it?
It was good, wasn't it? It added atmosphere to the ride.
I seen him pour an entire tray into his mouth. He enjoys them quite a bit. If you can stop by sometime and eat them with him, he'll love to share with you. He's very good at sharing. Oh, but he'll try to sneak a couple behind you. Always having to eat two for everyone. Oh, and I'm sure he'll even play the trumpet for you too. Do you like playing instruments? What's your favorite instrument to play? Well, maybe you folks can play together sometime. We can play the guitar and we play the trumpet. Oh, that would be good. Love you. Would you like to smile with me today? You pick it. I'll close my eyes. Did you pick it yet? What is it?
Well, on these adventures today, have you seen my friend Pascal? I know he can be so hard to find.
We did see your tower.
You did? Did you see him over there? Oh, I'm so proud of you. Oh my goodness, because you know, I've been looking for him for weeks now. It's just not very clear. Change colors in a game of hide and seek. And you know, I haven't figured out how to change colors yet. I don't know if you know. Can you change colors? You can't? Okay, then good. Woo, that makes me feel so much better. Well, he'll have to join us next time. Then we can look for you, because I think you're really good at hiding too. Is hiding your favorite? Yeah. I can see the hiding is really much more fun. We'll be sure to bring all of it to this place. I think that would be the best day.
Oh, man.
Keep it moving.
Here we go.
Mike! Mike! Mike!
I did not point, I did not do it.